Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bicycle cassettes. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. The item number 5 in our list is Freewheel 11/12/28/30/32/34T bicycle cassette. Specifications: brand name, Goldix. Type, road bike freewheel. Is _ customized? No. Model number, Goldix CNC. Flywheel adjustable gear number, 11 speed. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 2834T. Freewheel speed, 10. Components, freewheel. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is Sunshine Ultralight mountain bicycle cassette. Specifications: brand name, Goldix. Type, MTB bike freewheel. Is _ customized? No. Model number, Sunshine SE. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Flywheel adjustable gear number, 11 speed. Material, aluminum. Gear teeth, 1152T. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, ZRACE XDR 12-speed cassette. Specifications: brand name, ZRACE. Type, road bike freewheel. Model number, ZRACE XDR. Flywheel adjustable gear number, 12 speed. Material, carbon steel. Gear teeth, 28 to 44. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel. Origin, mainland China. The item number 2 is Sunshine Colorful MTB Cassette. Specifications: flywheel adjustable gear number, 12. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 1150T. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Ultralight mountain bike bicycle cassette. Specifications: model number, Sunshine Ultralight freewheel. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, alloy. Gear teeth, 46T/50T/52T. Freewheel speed, 10. Components, freewheel. Origin, mainland China. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.